Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will explore Microsoft in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Unlock the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of October in the year 2024, our system has ranked Microsoft as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.14. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will keep a close watch on this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock currently rests in the midst of a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this pattern. The trend over the past 3 months suggests a potential change of approximately 2.49% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 2.34% to positive 6.87%. Looking at the trend over the past 12 months, it indicates a change of around 15.84% for the upcoming year, with potential returns between 7.56% and 33.17%. This results in a projected price range of $456.83 to $565.63 after 1 year. Our latest daily update from Microsoft presents the headline, Microsoft stock upgraded to buy candidate. The Microsoft stock price increased by approximately 0.03% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024. The price rose from $424.60 to $424.73. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 0.84%, reaching a low of $422.40 and a high of $425.95. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 2.14% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased on the last day by 6 million shares, with a total of 14 million shares exchanged for approximately $5.76 billion. It is important to consider that declining volume amid rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $468.35, while the lowest price was $326.94. Currently, the price stands at 9.31%, or $43.62, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft is generating significant attention today, with a range of news that could impact its stock price in both the short and long term. CEO Satya Nadella's total compensation has soared to over $79 million for the fiscal year, reflecting strong corporate performance but also raising investor scrutiny regarding rising operational costs. Moreover, Microsoft is tackling major investor concerns ahead of its earnings report due to increased capital expenditures and uncertainties surrounding its Copilot product. While these factors may contribute to short-term volatility in its share price, analysts maintain confidence in Microsoft's long-term growth potential, given its attractive valuation and robust market presence in artificial intelligence technologies. In a move aimed at sustainability, Microsoft has signed a deal for a marine carbon removal initiative, potentially locking away 350,000 tons of carbon dioxide over the next decade. This aligns with increasing shareholder interest in environmental, social, and governance metrics, which could positively influence investor sentiment. Further, Microsoft's competitive ambitions in gaming are set to be tested with the upcoming release of Call of Duty Black Ops 6, which might drive user engagement and potentially revenue growth. This is crucial for maintaining its market dominance amid intense competition. Together, these developments paint a picture of a company poised for both immediate challenges and long-term opportunities, making it a compelling prospect for investors to monitor as it navigates these dynamics. Let's take a look at the recent analyst ratings for Microsoft. On Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024, Cowen & Company assigned a buy rating to Microsoft while maintaining a hold action. The day before, on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, Citigroup also rated Microsoft as a buy with a hold action. Earlier that week, on Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, Loop Capital Markets gave Microsoft a buy rating alongside a hold action. On the same day, Evercore ISI rated Microsoft as outperform while also recommending a hold action. However, on Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, Wedbush issued a rating of underperform with a hold action for Microsoft. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Microsoft stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell rating. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. The chart displays predominantly positive signals today. Microsoft stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be anticipated at the levels of $420.95 and $422.48. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, October 7, 2024, and to date, the stock has increased by 3.71%. Additional gains are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume declined during the last session, despite an increase in prices. This divergence between volume and price could serve as an early warning sign, indicating that the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 26 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 21 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 55 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $418.35. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. Typically, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is deemed very low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.55, or 0.84%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.58%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal P/E ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is expected on the 30th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $3.08. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $425.27. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $418.35. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 16th of September, 2024, Numoto Takeshi conducted an insider purchase of 8,511 shares of common stock. On the same day, young Christopher David executed an insider purchase of 8,990 shares of common stock. Also on that day, Smith Bradford L. completed an insider purchase of 23,374 shares of common stock. On the same date, Hood Amy made an insider purchase of 23,374 shares of common stock. Lastly, on the 16th of September, 2024, Hogan Kathleen T. conducted an insider purchase of 7,912 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 6.643. In total, insiders acquired 543,109 shares, while selling 488,476 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $404.59, which reflects a decline of 4.74%. This stock experiences very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. A buying signal has emerged from a pivot bottom that was identified 13 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable expectation for Microsoft stock to perform well in the near future. We have updated our analysis, moving from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 25th of October, we anticipate that Microsoft will open lower by 37 cents and begin trading at $424.36. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.